Hello, welcome to my next flute video. So today we're going to be going through song number 17, Hot Cross Buns, and we're going to go through the smaller sections of it, and then we're going to put the whole thing together and play it all the way through. So if you need a review on any of the notes and the fingerings, I would recommend going back to my previous flute videos or looking at the top of page 6 where it says notes in review, and it goes over the first 5 notes you've ever learned and the fingerings for each of those notes. So figuring out the first note, we can actually use the notes in review at the top. I can tell it's on the second line, the note that I'm looking for from the top, second line from the top. If I can look at the top box, notes in review, and I can match the first note of the song to one of the 5 notes on the top. So I can tell that it's going to be a D because it is on the second line from the top. So we know that our first note is D. It's also going to be a half note because it's not colored in on the inside. It is empty, which means it's a half note. If it was colored in, that would be a quarter note, which means you would only hold it up for 1 count. But since it's a half note, we're going to hold it up for 2 counts. So we have a half note D, and then we're going to go to C, half note, and then B, also a half note. Okay, and then you have a half rest. A half rest just looks like a little tiny black bar on top of the middle line. So a half rest means silence for 2 counts. All right, so let's play that first part. We're gonna do, I'll scoot over here. D, C, B, ready, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. The next 2 measures, measure 3 and 4, are the same. D, C, B. Each half note you should hear 2 snaps. Again, during each half note you should hear 2 snaps, or in your head count to 2. All right, now let's do the next 2 measures, measure 3 and 4. Same thing. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. Okay, so now we've done the first 4 measures. We're going to go ahead and move on. Measure 5, we have quarter notes again. We have 4 quarter notes in a row. So I can tell by looking at it, it's one of the 2 flat notes we know so far. It's either B flat or E flat. And again, by looking at the top notes in review, I can tell it's a B flat because it's on the middle line, not on the top space. Okay, so let's do 4 B flats in a row. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next you have 4 C's in a row. So we'll do, okay, let's put those 2 measures together. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, and then C, 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 C. Let's try it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then all you gotta do is the last 2 measures, and guess what? They're the same as measure 1 and 2. Just D, C, B, flat, rest, rest. Okay, so let's just do the last 2 measures now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. Okay, we are now ready to put, let's just do the second half and then we'll do the whole thing. So we're gonna start in measure 5 on the 4 B flats in a row. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, C, 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 D, C, B flat, rest, rest. Okay, we're gonna do that part. Starting on the 4 B flats in a row. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. Okay, so that was the second half. We are now ready to try the whole entire song, all the way from measure 1 to measure 8. Okay, all right, let's try it. Starting on D. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Okay, so if you need to do that a couple times, go ahead and rewind and play it as many times as you need to. The most important thing is a lot of air. Even I ran out of air a little bit on one of those notes. That's okay, just keep pushing through. If you get dizzy, take a break. And then moving quickly between the fingerings. So D, to C, right? Quick shift, okay? And then C to B flat, okay? Just moving quickly between the fingerings. All right, so try the whole thing. Let me know how it goes, and if you have any questions, let me know. All right, good job. I'm proud of you, and I'll see you.